Okay, we have Bambi patterns. Let's do the first line. 1, 2, 3. Dum dum dum, taka taka tek, taka taka dum dum dum, taka ka tek, taka ka dum. And I accent the accents, also the ka, ta accent, 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 right? You will see in the video that I'm doing the scroll of the fingers now here. You see? Dum dum 1, 2, 1, 2. Dum 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 taka taka tek, taka taka dum 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 taka taka tek. Right? Bambi patterns, second line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double. Dumka, dumka, 1. Kaka, tek, kaka, tek, kaka, tek, kaka, dumka, 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 ka, tek, kaka, tek, tek, ka, tek, kaka, dumka, dumka. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Dumka, ka, tek, kaka, tek, kaka, tek, kaka, dumka, 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 ka, tek, kaka, tek, tek, ka, tek, kaka, dumka, dumka. Right? I think first, doing separately. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this, you stop and again. And then you connect. 1. Yes. Dum, tek, 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 dum, 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 tek, 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 tek. It has this effect. These accents of tek, you can see on the top of the notation, tek equals zek equals slap. So what now if I do slap? More powerful. Or zek. I think first zek. No, don't do slap first. And this has this powerful snare drum.